Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Subaru Crosstrek faster. We'll start with some straightforward modifications that can immediately improve your driving experience. A cold air intake, for example, can provide cooler, denser air to your engine, leading to better efficiency and a noticeable boost in throttle response. Pairing this with an aftermarket exhaust system not only gives your Crosstrek a sportier sound, but also helps the engine breathe more freely, contributing to a slight power increase. These initial steps are excellent for quick, tangible improvements. Next, let's delve into more substantial engine enhancements. ECU remapping, or chip tuning, modifies your car's software to unlock hidden potential, offering more power and torque. Some modules can provide up to 30% more horsepower. Additionally, installing billet power blocks can increase air velocity, potentially adding 10 horsepower and 22 pound-feet of torque. For the most significant gains, consider a turbocharger or supercharger kit, though these are more complex and costly upgrades. Beyond engine modifications, optimizing your Crosstrek's weight and drivetrain can also enhance its speed. Reducing overall vehicle mass by removing non-essential items can make a difference. Swapping to lighter wheels and tires significantly reduces unsprung weight, which improves acceleration and braking. While primarily for handling, upgrading suspension components can also contribute to more efficient power transfer to the road, making your Crosstrek feel more agile and responsive. Finally, consistent maintenance and smart driving habits are crucial for maximizing your Crosstrek's performance. Regular oil changes and keeping your air filter clean ensure your engine operates at its peak efficiency. Proper tire pressure reduces rolling resistance, which can make your vehicle feel more responsive and even improve fuel economy. Adopting smoother driving techniques, such as gradual acceleration and anticipating traffic, can also make your Crosstrek feel faster and more enjoyable to drive every day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.